Hello everyone, this is the first photography tutorial for beginners on www.fuzia.com. Okay, if you want to learn photography, videography, editing and those stuff, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more tutorials. So yeah, let's start. So if you are a beginner, my advice for you is the following, okay? Don't go and buy a new camera in order to start photography. The first step you need to know is to learn techniques. However, you can use your mobile camera till you figure out what you want to do with the photography. So today I'm gonna talk about the light, because in any picture the light is a very essential factor to have a professional picture. Without it, the picture gonna be totally dark or black. So the question is how to use a daylight. We're not shooting in a studio, we're not controlling the light, so what shall I do? Tip number 1. You have to check from where comes the source of the light. If the light comes backward the object, for example from the back of the object, from the back of the person, then the object gonna be totally dark as a silhouette. So this is a very important thing to keep in mind while shooting. Tip number 2. If you are shooting a portrait, so my advice for you is to do it in the golden hour to avoid the shadows that occurs on the face. Okay, note, this can be before the sunset or during the sunrise, because at that period the sun isn't very sharp and the light actually is very soft. That's why you won't find any shadows on the face of the model. So the perfect timing for shooting a portrait is the golden hour. Now that you know about golden hour and how it really affects the picture, let me also tell you about a golden opportunity for you to follow your passion. So yeah, if you are an artist, photographer, writer, or whatsoever you're doing, just sign up on www.fuzia.com and start sharing your creative work with women from all over the globe. And if you liked this tutorial, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tutorials.